Hi, this is Manjunath, Chief Empowerment Officer of Dynamites Consulting Private Limited, a Bangalore based company. We are specialists in psychometric assessments and life coaching. It has always been our passion to stretch ourselves to find different avenues through which we can help our clients cope up with their life challenges. In the current corona times, the biggest problem one is facing is with respect to money. Suddenly, a large number of people find themselves short of money and are worried what they need to do to get the money which will take care of their routine expenses, including EMI commitments. I hope you too know good number of people who are facing such challenges. This passion to explore solutions for our clients took us to an Ahmedabad based company named Global Gardener Sales Services Private Limited. In short, let us call it Global Gardener. What does this company do? Before even coming to what they do, let me talk a little bit about this organization. This company came into existence rather around 3 years ago. First 2 years, they spent their time and effort in setting up a solid infrastructure, which is the entire back end activities of the organization. Last 1.5 years, they have been on a commercial mode, and within a span of 1.5 hours, 1.5 years rather, they have reached a turnover very close to 180 crores. They have also done their book valuation. Currently, their company is worth around 240 crore rupees. This is a Times of India invested organization. It has already won 2 awards from state governments for being a unique startup, awards from Chhattisgarh government and Uttar Pradesh government. Now, what Global Gardener does is they are basically their core purpose is to help other businesses grow. When I say their core business is to help other businesses grow, immediately some concepts come into our picture. Is Global Gardener a marketing organization? Is it a digital marketing company? Or is it a consultancy firm? Is it a lead generation organization? The answer to all this is no. Their core business is to help other businesses grow by driving customers into their shops and offices and make customers buy the products and services of every organization that is there in our country. The beauty is Global Gardener will get paid only when the other businesses whom this company works for generates revenue. That is, if actual sale happens, only then this company earns money. If all the efforts that they put do not result in actual revenue for the other organizations, the earning of Global Gardener is a big zero. Exciting? I am sure there are not any organization in our country who says, I will be your salesman, pay me only when I generate business for you. And the money that they pay is obviously a pre-agreed rate of commission. Global Gardener believes that they can grow only by helping other businesses grow. Now, other businesses can grow only by making customers go to those shops and make their purchases. So basically, Global Gardener is interested in acquiring customers. And that is the business that I am talking to you people. So where couple of my friends believed me. Today we are a 12-13 member team. Soon we will be a 3,000, a 5,000, probably even a 10,000 member team. In fact, I am working towards making our company, making this group that I have started a 10,000 plus organization and actually help more than 10,000 people earn consistent passive income without spending any extra money, without making any sales, without making any new investment. They will be able to earn that type of money just by redirecting their routine purchases through the app that I have already asked you to download. By the way, I am sure all of you have downloaded the Global Gardener Universal app. If you have not yet, please do download it at the earliest. Now, what Global Gardener has done is it believes that it has earned money because a customer went to a shop and made the purchase. So, therefore, the customer has to be rewarded. So, what it does is every time a customer makes a purchase, pays the money to a shop or a business house to get a product and service, whereby Global Gardener would have earned a commission. A percentage of that commission, Global Gardener passes it on to the customer as a gratitude in terms of a cashback. Actually, there are two types of benefits which the customer gets. One is in terms of cashback, which is real money. Second, which is in terms of GG coins, which is actually a virtual money. But soon you will realize this virtual money has got the power to convert itself into real money in a phased manner. In any case, my job is to take you through the entire process. How does it happen? So today I'm just giving an overview about what this company does. I hope I am clear till now. Fine. Now, when you click on the Global Gardener Universal app, when you open the app, you would find on the top right, there is something called as a change cashback. Please click on that. You will find there are 4 choices given. One is called as a SCB FIFO. Don't worry about what does it mean, all those things. There is a lot of time for you to understand that. For starters, let us just see what are the basic features and what you need to do probably today. Let us learn in a step-by-step, stage-by-stage manner, and in any case, that is my job to do that. Okay, you will see 4 choices. SCB FIFO is one. Then there is SCB RPP. Then there is IC. Then there is something called as a circle. I request you to click on that circle. Now I will give you the logic also. Whenever I ask you to do something, I will also give you the logic so that you understand why you are doing what you are doing. When you click on this circle, it will give you the power to ensure that every unit of 10,000 rupees that you spend for yourself and your family through this portal will have the potential to earn for yourself over a period of time up to 1 crore rupees. Surprised? Should I repeat it once again? I will. Every unit of 10,000 rupees that you spend towards your self and family use has the potential to earn for yourself over a period of time anything up to 1 crore rupees. Don't worry about how does this happen. You will get to know in any case. To start with, let us understand in a very simple way. And I am also not promising you that you would earn 1 crore rupees. It might take some time. But definitely what I assure you is, if you follow my mentoring instructions, you can ensure that a 10,000 rupee, a cumulative value of 10,000 rupees that you purchase today will become 20,000 rupees within a matter of 1 year. That's a guarantee that I provide. To give it in more clarity, this is month of August. Say, let us say during this August 2020, you make purchases for yourself and family use a total amount of 10,000 rupees. Today you would have got a product or a service for that, right? In addition to that, by August 2021, you would be getting at least 20,000 rupees in terms of cashback. Same way, September that you spent, you would get by September 2021 another 20,000 rupees. October, you spent 10,000 rupees for yourself and family. October 2021, you will get another 20,000 rupees, which is, in other words, to say, after by the end of 1 year, you would keep on getting 20,000, 20,000, 20,000 rupees for every unit of 10,000 rupees that you spend. In a year, it will come to 2,40,000 rupees. Remember, you have already got the product and service at the time of making the purchase. This is just given as a cashback. That's why I have told the type of money that you can earn will be upwards of 2 lakh rupees. More and above that you get, you be happy, I will be much more happier. But my core job is to help you understand the process through which you can get this 2 lakhs plus or minus few rupees. After that, you will become masters. You don't even need my help to do anything. By the way, I am always available for hand-holding throughout my life. I can't guarantee it throughout your life, but throughout my life, I will be guaranteeing it. Is that okay? Some statistics. Till today, Global Gardener has around 2,67,000 registered customers. You are one among them. So you are in a large community, happy community. Till today, the type of actual cashback that they have given is around 3 crore 40 lakhs 24,769 rupees and a few paise. I repeat, 3 crores 40 lakhs 24,769 plus few paise. In terms of GG coins, which is a virtual money, which I said it has a potential to convert itself into real money, the GG coins that they have distributed is worth 140 crores 86 lakhs 17,230. Yes, you heard it right. 140 crores 86 lakhs 17,230 rupees. So we are simply, this company doesn't make a statement, it actually delivers what it says. Okay, now let me come to the app as such. So on the right hand side, you saw the change cashback. I am sure you would have clicked on that My Circle. Now let us see what all you can do with this app. You can pay your bill pay and recharges. Payment towards various services like electricity, mobile repayment, your DTH payments, electricity that I told, of course, water, a host, gas, a host of services that you would need on a day-to-day basis. By the way, not all of you may be using the services of the vendors that this company has registered with. Like for example, electricity, if I say Karnataka, almost every unit of Karnataka, every organization of Karnataka is there, like BESCOM, JESCOM, HESCOM, all those coms. Tamil Nadu, it is there. Tamil Nadu Electricity Board is there. Maybe someone, Pune, it is there. Maybe someone, it is not there. Believe me, there's a whole team which is working full time to include as many organizations as possible within the umbrella of Global Gardener, so that over a period of time, all of us will have every utility that we pay, there will be time to do that. But today itself, there is a good number of things. What you can also do is, you can shop with mega brands. There are more than about 150 leading brands, including Amazon, it could be Flipkart, it could be Alibaba, it could be 1MG, a host of leading online stores. 500 plus leading mega brands, which includes Big Bazaar, Big Basket, which basically caters to our grocery requirements and actually much more. But okay, grocery is something. then there is Bata, there is Chroma, host of other things. You can go through the entire range of that. A whole, a full-fledged team is working to increase the number of shops, local shops, to come into this framework of Global Gardener. Already good number of organizations, good number of shops, commercial establishments are already registered as vendors. You would also find that we can meet all our travel requirements, be it related to travel, which is air, bus, and train, including the food that is supplied in the trains, hotel accommodations, everything you can manage it through this app. And then you would also find something called as a UPOS vendor. I will talk about this UPOS vendor probably tomorrow or the day after. So you know what all you can do. In fact, the entire world is actually at your hands, ready to serve you, to give you what you want for yourself and your family. There are more than 20 crore products and services that are available. By the way, you don't pay a rupee to Global Gardener. When you click on a particular link, say best shopping website, and say click on Amazon as an example, the app will lead you to Amazon website of Amazon directly. You do the transactions with Amazon. You pay to Amazon whatever that you need to pay for the particular good and service. Take that good and service, enjoy the benefits. Because you have used the app of Global Gardener to reach out to Amazon, Amazon would pay a pre-agreed commission to Global Gardener, and Global Gardener will pass on, as I said, a percentage of commission to you. Individually played, it's not an exciting game, let me tell you. Because in any case, a company will not be paying more than, any company for that matter, will not be paying more than, on an average, 10% commission. And a portion of the 10% can be 5%, which is not exciting at all. But the beauty is, that is where I am working at, is to make a community of buyers. A community of say 5,000, 10,000 buyers. And when we do this as a large activity, large group activity, the type of cashbacks that one can get will be very, very exciting. You may be surprised, it may cross even 5 lakh rupees for each one of us without paying a single rupee more, without making any new investment. Just continue to do what we have been doing all along, that is buy various items for our self and family use. Only difference is we do that through Global Gardener and follow a simple process. Makes sense? I am sure you would find it interesting. Now, what else? I think this much is enough for today's consumption. I leave you with a small request. In fact, one important thing I wanted to ask you: why am I charging you 2,000 rupees? I am charging 2,000 rupees, though I have not openly asked you for that. Only one person has paid me till now. Let me not take the names, only one person. I request you to please, in the group I am going to put tomorrow my account details, please do transfer 2,000 rupees. Why I am charging 2,000 rupees is, I am spending good amount of time and effort in educating people about that particular process. Remember, in the beginning I told there are about 2,67,000 users already. But actually, if you look at the number of people who are benefited by the process of Global Gardener, is not even 50,000. In fact, it is less than that. Why is it so? Because anybody, when they get into a new system, a large number of people will not know what is the power that they hold. It is my job to let you know this power, make you earn money. And good news is, I am going to return this 2000 rupees end of 6 months. Why 6 months? Roughly, it takes about 6 months for you to master the entire process, and actually, you don't need my services. Though I will always be available for troubleshooting. So, end of 6 months, I am going to return this 2000 rupees. So, in that sense, this 2000 rupees is just a mere commitment deposit that I am taking. Now, why commitment deposit? I use that word consciously. In the process of helping you earn, I also earn money. From my side, I will do everything that I need to see that you earn money, and in the process, I earn money. So, I would want you to have at least a comparable range of commitment to the Global Gardener and its working as I do have right now. And today, I accept that it may not be possible for you to have the same type of commitment because this is a new concept to you. So, till such time that you become committed to Global Gardener, you understand its entire process, you become a master, and in the process of training you on that, mentoring you, I'm just going to keep a 2000 rupee as a deposit with me, and I would return it in a span of 6 months' time. That's a guarantee that I provide. I have another request to you and another offer to you. I request you to please ask all your circle of connects to become members of this group. By the way, there will be group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. As the ceiling goes, I am going to increase the number of groups. I am also going to request all of you to be in Telegram group, which has a limitless number of people. In one group, we can do the entire mentoring. I am going to maintain an Excel sheet. Me and my team are there going to maintain an Excel sheet. Whatever earnings that I get out of the referrals that you have given me, I am going to share a percentage with you. So that is an additional revenue that you would get. I believe in honesty and transparency. So let me also tell you, Global Gardener pays me 10% of the earnings that my referrals earn as a cashback. So whenever you people earn money, 10% of that money comes to me. Now, if you are able to refer your circle of connects to me, I will take the responsibility of mentoring them also. Keep a separate accounts for all the people whom you have referred. Individually, I will keep a tab of it. And whatever earnings that I get, that is 10% of that money, 50% of that money, which is 5% post the taxes, of course, I would pass it on to you as a reward. This, believe me, say if you are able to refer 100 people to me, I will take the entire responsibility of mentoring them. Just because you have referred to me, and you also do a little bit of a follow up with them to see that they also become as good as you are over a period of time, that 5% earning that I'm going to share it, pass it on to you, can itself earn to around more than ₹1,000,000. Yeah, it can be more than 10 lakh rupees easily. I had a big question about this organization. Will this flop over a period of time? It can never flop because each one of us, whatever be our state, we need to keep purchasing, if nothing else, at least groceries, and pay for the basic utilities that we all need to survive. That is absolutely non-negotiable. This itself can run into couple of thousands of crores. And by the way, the percentage of cashback that they are giving averages to between anything between 1 to 1.5% of the turnover, which is significant. So this company can never fail. They will grow. Along with them, we will also grow. In any case, whether that company grows or not, we don't have anything to lose, because at the time of making the payment, we would have got the particular goods and service. Whatever money that we get out of cashback is only that extra bit. And it is my job, as I said, to make this extra become more than 2 lakh rupees. I have a humble request. Make it a point to visit this group at least once in a day. Be prompt in taking the actions that I recommend you to take. Life will be very, very smooth. Okay. Good night. I think it's already 11 if I am right, or very close to that. I have other jobs to do. I will sit probably till around 1:30. I'll be working. Have a great day. Have a great future. Let us all become financially independent. Let us all grow. Let us be a wonderful community that helps each other become better and more prosperous. Okay. God bless all of you. Thank you very much. Good night.